folks, Scully Nomad here. Hope you are well, and an extra special welcome on board my sailboat. So should you start your own YouTube channel, now we all have our own experiences, adventures and skills that we can share with the world. So I would shortly say yes, go for it. To give you a little bit of context about my own channel, I've got several different playlists which do very different things, and overall I've had 360,000 views. I've got under 2,500 subscribers, and per day it's making me about £3.60 or £109 a month or £1,314 a year. And for a lot of people, I think that's very achievable. To start making money through the YouTube Partner Program, there are criteria that you need to meet. So when I started in the UK, I needed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 worth of watch hours. It does take time for you to get the watch hours, and my understanding is YouTube is now promoting smaller channels. So if you are looking to start YouTube, then you can, hopefully the algorithms will help you out. Now it does take a lot of work to create the videos. So first of all, you have to think of the ideas that you want to do or the messages you want to send to people. Then you have to do the filming, and it takes a long time to film. So this is, for me, this is like take 40 to redo the entry. It does take a while to make the videos, so it takes me about 2 to 3 hours to film, depending on what context will I do. For the average, I'd say it's 2 to 3 hours, and then when it comes to editing, it takes between 10 to 14 hours. So it does take all day to create these videos. So I really appreciate if you do like the videos and leave some comments below if you have found anything informative. I started YouTube as a hobby, and now it's suddenly becoming kind of a part-time hobby, which I'm still enjoying. I still like making the videos for people. I do a mixture of content. So one is my car, which is how to get with duct tape and hope. So it's 16 years old and I'm saving up to buy a van. In the meantime, I'm doing my own repairs, which first of all, it saves me money. I'm also able to choose the products that I want to use for the vehicle. So I always use the premium ones, whether it's Bosch filters, Shell oil, the liquid moly stuff, which we'll come back to in a minute. And what I do is I document the experience. Now that serves a few different purposes, because I get paid on the ad revenue for people watching the videos. I get paid from Amazon when people use the affiliation links. More rewardingly than that is the comments that I get. So I really appreciate people when they're leaving the positive comments below where they're saying thank you. Drives a lot of traffic. So people have problems with their vehicles. They're looking for solutions, and hopefully they find my content. I do make some money via the Amazon affiliation program. So what that is if I'm using a product in a video and I recommend it and I put the link in the description, if you click that link, it doesn't cost you any extra money, but it does give me a little bit of money back. So if I give you an example of, I did an oil change recently, and in that oil change I did the Bosch oil filter, and I used the Shell Helix oil. I'll finish off with a can of the liquid moly system cleaner, and all the products that I use in the videos I paid my own money for, so I'm not sponsored by any of them. But I do recommend the system cleaners. They're very good. They keep your car going for a while. You kind of feel the power coming back as you're driving along too. I try and keep honest on my videos, so if I've used something that's not worked very well, I do say it's not worked very well. And let me give you an example. So this is my GoPro Hero 10. I started filming YouTube content on this, and it's the second one that I've had, and it's not because it's a good product, it's because it kept freezing. To get it out the media mod that it's in, to be able to have the microphone, you have to basically take it out in enclosure. Usually the enclosure is fixed on here, so it's a whole faff to get it out the enclosure just to take the battery out to put it back in. And it's the second one, and it has the same problem, which is why I've ended up buying a new camera. Purchased the Fuji X-S20 vlogging camera, which comes with its own tripod. A few weeks in, I'm not too sure on it at the moment. It's the first mirrorless camera that I've had, and I don't have anything to compare it with. So far, it's okay. I'm having a little bit of a problem with the autofocus, which is why I've had to refilm this. But again, I just want to give people an honest approach to things. When it comes to YouTube, it does take a lot of luck. So you could have the perfect title, the perfect thumbnails, the most entertaining content. You could put all your blood, sweat and tears into it, and it just doesn't take off. It is a little bit frustrating, and let me give you the perfect example of that. So I've got a boat tour video playlist dedicated on showing people the boats. They are filmed in the same way. They are filmed with the same camera, which is the GoPro Hero 10, and the content is the same. So I do a quick walkthrough, then I have the owner on the front of the boat. We do an exterior front to back, and then interior front to back, and then a little interview at the end. Now, the videos that I've done is my own one, which was released about 10 months ago while I'm recording this, and that's had around 4,000 views. The next video that I did was a Juno Odyssey 45.2, so that video was about 5 weeks ago now. That video's had around 1,000 views in total. The next one I did, which was the week after, was a Bavaria 36. Now this Bavaria 36, it's a very popular sailboat. It's a good all-rounder, and for a lot of people, it's a very attractive price point. So it ticks a lot of boxes, which is why it's popular. I've got 2 friends here who have got them. The next one I did was a Nautica 33. So I never heard of this brand Nautica before, but it's a unique looking boat. It's an older boat made in the 70s. Now this video has had around 40,000 views. So you've had my one, which has been up for the longest time, 4,000. My neighbour one with the Juno Odyssey 45, around 1,000 views there. 1,800 for the Bavaria 36, and then 40,000 views. So again, they're all boat tour videos, filmed same camera, same style, but for some reason YouTube just liked this video and pushed it out into the world. The amount you get paid per video tends to be per 1,000 views, and it is in different categories. So if you're doing something which is educational, let's say you're repairing cars, or you're doing business or finance, something like that with more value to the person, you get paid a bit more than somebody who is, I don't know, doing a dance or drawing a picture. Or there's a lot of people, like, let's say, cooking. A lot of people do cooking programs, so the niche isn't really there, so the revenue doesn't really get distributed that way, if that makes sense. Making videos is very accessible for people. Most people have a decent enough camera on the phone to get started with. I have to take a lot of pictures for work that I do, so my memory gets full pretty quickly on there, which is why I ended up buying a GoPro. I chose the GoPro because it was waterproof, very easy to use with just 2 buttons. Unfortunately, it keeps freezing. This is the Hero 10, it's my second one. GoPro's customer services was very good. They replaced it for me, but it keeps freezing, and I decided to invest in a better camera, which is the one that I'm using now. Hopefully over time I can get better with making videos and more entertaining and informative videos for people to watch and enjoy. I do like helping people out, so I do appreciate your comments, questions and feedback. So if you do like the video, if you find anything of value to it, please give me the thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please let it know in the comments below and I'll try and get back to you. As it says, my channel is only small, so I can have the time to get back to you. If you put the time, the effort into creating the content, once it's uploaded, whether somebody is watching it today or in 5 years time, if you can get the consistency rolling back, you'll still get those paychecks coming in. On my situation now, I've only actually worked 3 days this month. So to have that extra £100 coming. So my long-term plan is to actually leave the UK, and I do want to do a bit of sailing, but the marinas, the fuel, the maintenance, all of this type of stuff, that is going to rely on building this kind of income on the side. I do use my wages to invest with passive income too, which I'll probably make another video on, of how I make money and how is it that I spend it and so on, to better myself long term in the future. It can definitely be a bit frustrating when videos don't do well, especially when you put so much time in it. So one of the videos that was a bit frustrating for me that I made was the story of how I basically saved somebody's life. I was injured in the process. Basically, I was pulling someone out of a car wreck in the middle lane of the motorway. Lorry hit the van flew forward, hit me, and then basically I ended up getting injured from it. And then I fell through the support gaps. No help from the government, no help from the company I was working for. And that video, I don't even think it's had 1,000 views, and that's one of my earlier videos that I made. I'll put the tag in the end so you can watch it if you'd like to, so you can understand my kind of financial situation a little bit better from there. But let's just say I've had 4 years of pretty much no income. Sometimes it can be a bit frustrating making the videos. As I mentioned, my GoPro kept freezing, which is why I changed cameras. And the camera that I brought is a bit more advanced than the GoPro, that's for sure, and definitely more advanced than my phone. But yesterday I went to a lake, so I hiked for 2 hours, I drove for 2 hours, only to get the video quality all blurry, so it wasn't focusing properly. So it does take a while to learn your new equipment, and I'm refilming this on there, so hopefully, fingers crossed, everything's in focus. When it comes to the vlog style videos, I find that I don't really get that many views at all. So it's definitely easier for me to make content around the boat because it's a little bit of more of a unique situation compared to a lot of people. I also do a little bit of car camping, which again, there's surprisingly a lot of people who are interested in that. So one of my most popular videos has been my stealth car camping setup. So my car, because I camp in it, and sometimes I do an urban stealth camp, sometimes I go out into the countryside for it. I basically want the vehicle just to look like an everyday normal car, nothing sticking out. And on there I take my Bluetti, I take my coffee machine, so it's kind of like car stealth glamping as opposed to camping, and a lot of people are interested in that video. For most people it's recommended that they just focus on one thing. For me it's quite tricky to focus on one thing, so a lot of the traffic is driven through my car repair videos, but I only have one vehicle and there's only so much I can do to it, so I can't continue to fix things which aren't broken. But it is one of the driving factors towards the channel, which keeps that revenue constantly kind of flowing and the views flowing. When it comes to the boat life playlist, it doesn't really do very well. It's more of vlog style, and it kind of is like daily life on board, what we get up to over here. So recently I did one about a 50th birthday party with the Whitewater Rapid Centre, taking the boats out, going to party, and kind of showing them more kind of boat life. So there's always a lot of kind of creativity around that, whether it's just hanging out on board, cooking, cleaning, maintaining. It's a bit more unique as opposed to, you know, a lot of everyday lifestyle. I'm going to wrap it up now, so thanks for your comments, questions and feedback. Thank you if you liked the video, and see you on the next one.